Forex Planet.
Hello guys, this is Momentum, your host, and first Allah, welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you are all doing good. If you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification every time when we upload a new video. So basically, as you can see, this is the chart of gold, and the gold made a special rapid movement today without even there was no news today, and thus the market have made a special movement. And now, as you can see, there are three bearish engulfing candles and a three soldier candle pattern. So as you can see, when three soldier candle patterns are formed like that, these are the three bearish candles. I am sorry, my drawing is too bad. Please bear with me. So when three bearish candles are formed, then you have to see the total volume of the market. For example, the total strength like that. The fourth candle will be again a bearish candle with half of the margin. For example, this is the candle that we have just the market made. So simply you can draw the candle, so we can see again a fall pattern in the gold till half of the market. So this is the pattern of, this is the strategy of three soldier candles. So let's see tomorrow whether the market test this trend or not. So this is the daily candle, and as you can see, according to the daily candle, this is a solid bearish engulfing pattern, but the candles have shown a wick. It is a wick of almost 2410 to 2364, which is almost a $40+ wick. So market can make an aggressive movement again tomorrow. So let's move to H4 so we can analyze it deeply. So this was the support level we were having in the gold. We can draw a chart here. So this is the chart of the support level. Why this is a support level? First of all, please listen carefully. This is a resistance level, okay? This is again a resistance level, okay? This is a support level plus a resistance level. Support from downside and resistance from upside, okay? So again, this is a support level, and now the market tested this support level, and now it is going up. This area is very important. Why this area is very important, we will talk deeply. So as you can see, first time when market tests this area, it fall back. Second time when market tests this area, fortunately or unfortunately, it break this level, it broke up this level, then retest back, okay? Please listen carefully. Then it go very up. Third time again it falls from that point, retest this area, then go again up. Third time the market almost fall on that area, did not break this. Please listen carefully what I am trying to say. The market again fall on this point, did not break this, then we are assuming that the market will again go to very high according to H4 condition. Why? Because this area is very important, and the market, if the market break out this area, then we can say that the next level will be the very next small, very first support zone of the market. But unfortunately or fortunately, the market take a support level on this level, and then it is now going up. So means this is the buy area, and the video we have just shared on weekend, we told you that this area is very important. If market test on this area, does not break that area downside, you can take a buy entry. But unfortunately or fortunately, the market have not broken down this area, then we can say that we are in the buying pattern, okay? So now you can see that this area is very important, which is the area of 23702 to 2350. This area is a support as well as resistance area. If I extend this area, then in the past, as you can see, the market retest this area, or market use this area as a support as well as a resistance level. So this is the H4 candle, and market have taken a support from that area. So what is the maximum and best movement of the market in the upcoming days? So simply we can draw a fib level. This is the fib level. We will extend the fib level from highest point to this sellers point. Okay, so this is the market. As you can see, the market broke out this area and now it is moving in this area, which is the percent of 2.3% to 2.23%. Okay, listen carefully please. Fibonacci is very important. Once the market break this area, then we can say that the next target of the market will be this dotted line 2430. If the market will break this area, the orange area, this area I have just drawn, then the next target will be this dotted line, which is an area of 23402 something. Okay, so this is a complex method. I know many of you have confused. So let's talk about it clearly in H1 candle. So this is the H1 candle, and as you can see, the market shown a very rapid movement. Simply I am going to draw this trend line, and there is a further trend line that market have successfully broken down. These are the areas, and this is a X pattern, as you can see. And if we draw a support level, the next support level, I have this resistance as well as support level. Let's change its color to blue. So simply I was telling you that the market will use this trend line, the same area that I have just done in the Fibonacci level. Then the market can retest. I have to draw the lower Fibonacci area. This was the lower Fibonacci area. This resistance level means the market can take a small retest, pull back on the area of 2395 to 2400. Then you can take an aggressive entry till the area of 2330. So this is the movement of the gold right now we have. I know this is a complex method, but this is a verified method. You can take a buy entry once the market again retest this area 2390, and then if market form a bullish engulfing pattern, then you can take a long entry buy. I know what I will explain what is bullish engulfing pattern. Let me explain you. Suppose this is the selling candle. Let's change its color to red because selling candle is red. And suppose the very next candle is a big green candle, like that. If this is a big green candle, then this pattern is known as a bullish engulfing pattern, because the green candle has successfully engulfed the previous red candle. If such type of pattern is formed here, means we have a red candle and very next candle is green. Okay, and we can draw a red candle here. So this is a red candle and very next candle is green. Then you can take a buy entry towards this level, the first support area. This is a verified method, and you can take a trade once market test 2400. If you have any confusion, I am here to clear. You can simply join our free Telegram channel, and we are doing live streaming today in the US session. If you are interested to join our US session, trading live session, you can join without expensing any cent. So this is all about gold. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much.